Yep, so being a mechanic on a grass yard is like being a mechanic on difficulty extreme. You drop a bolt, good luck finding it. Do you see the bolt down there? No, you don't, because there isn't a bolt down there, but you won't know that until you search every fucking square inch of the 5 feet surface around you that you've been working in. And then when you don't find it, it'll be outside that 5-foot circle, and you'll wonder how the fuck it got there in the first place. 15 minutes looking for this thing. 15 minutes to finish one brake line.